Hi, I'm Woody. This is the story of the song Rocky. I remember seeing a flyer on the bulletin board at School of the Ozarks in the music building that said, "We're looking for hit songs." And it was from the Welk Group in New York City. And I thought, oh, that's interesting. They didn't write, "We're looking for new songs." They wanted hit songs. So I thought, well, there's a challenge. I wonder if I can write a hit song. And I remember all the songs that I liked when I was a little bit of kid. I loved the death songs. Teen Angel, Tell Laura I Love Her, Ebony Eyes, beautiful song from the Everly Brothers, Leader of the Pack, motorcycle accident, Moody River, Pat Boone, Suicide by Water, Patches, Double Suicide by Water, Last Kiss, remember that one? And then of course came Honey by Bobby Goldsboro. Whatever happened to him? Anyway, so I decided to write a death song, and I was living at 1500 West Grand, and I went down to the basement and I started working on it, and I thought it was coming along pretty good. I stole lines from other songs that were hits that I knew, you know, like Take My Hand from Elvis, Lean on Me, Bill Withers, Have My Baby, Paul Anka, and then of course Die, like all the death songs. And I got it done and it felt right, and so I sent it to New York City. They sent me back a contract, and the contract was 5 years. And so I took it. I had just met Pat Ciccone, and he said, you know, you should take this to Cy Simon. He'll be able to tell you if it's any good or not. And so I met Cy, and he said, I'd be glad to look at your contract, but I'd like to hear the song. So I went home and got it, and when I got back, Scott, his son, was there, and they listened to it, and he looked up and he said, son, this is a stone smash hit. If you'll sign with me, I'll let you write your own contract, and we'll make it for only a year, so if nothing works out for us, you'll get your song back. And I said, okay, and he said, and you can sing it, and we'll get Wayne Carson to produce it. Well, I hadn't known Wayne, but anyway, we all went down to Nashville. It was a blast. We had such a good time, and we cut the song, and everybody liked it pretty much, except for Wayne, the producer, who decided that it needed to have the second verse cut out, which he did with a razor blade. Well, Cy didn't like that at all, because it cut out his favorite line about painting walls and sipping wine and sleeping on the floor. He loved that sleeping on the floor. He said, that's what it's all about. And anyway, so Bob Montgomery had been hanging around that session, and he was the guy that had produced Honey, and so he wanted another death song. I guess he liked them too, and so he recorded it with Austin Roberts. And the only thing I remember about Austin Roberts, or knew about him at the time, was that he was the voice on the Scooby-Dooby-Doo song, in the cartoon. And so we listened to it. They sent it up, and Cy said, what do you think? And I said, well, you know, at least it's got the second verse. So they released it on private stock. Nothing happened for about 6 months, and then a radio station started playing it in Eau Claire, Wisconsin, and then it sort of just took off. And then Dickie Lee, he recorded it, made it all the way to #1 on the country charts, and then about 40 other people around the world recorded it, and it was just an amazing thing. And I started thinking, well, that wasn't really all that hard. I should do that all the time. Yeah, I should. And sometimes I still try. The gold records down at Ralph Foster Museum at School of the Ozarks, I have to pay $8 to get in to see it, but it was an amazing time. I'm very, very honored. It was done by a girl before in France, but since it's in French, we don't know what she said. So Nick reimagined the song for Abby, and I couldn't be more honored that it has made the cut on Abby's album. And I've listened to most of the cuts, and I think I just think it's awesome. She's got that certain thing, you know, that just makes you listen to her. And so thank you very much, everybody. I hope you're enjoying yourselves. Thanks for listening to my story.
Alone until my 18th year, we met 4 springs ago. He was shy.